All right, so when you're using the Facebook app, you can click the three dots at the bottom, and let me see if I can, yeah, let's see. The three hamburger dots, that gives you all your stuff. Your pages, your settings, and everything are right there. So you're going to click on your pages and then go to your page that you're talking about. Then this is where it gets kind of tricky because you have these notifications, but this is Facebook notifications. These are not page notifications, okay? So go to your page, and when you go up here, scroll over into that notification. But again, it can be kind of tricky. Facebook is always changing what they're doing, always changing what they're doing. It's annoying. So you could say, I accidentally replied as myself, which doesn't matter because this is my page. But if it was for Happy, it would be terrible. So, um, you just take a couple minutes and say thank you. It's really not that many seconds. And then, see, that's why I got a notification that I replied. And it's still replying as me. It's so annoying. Um, so, the good thing about this part is that you can, you know, um, like other pages here. Like I can like Desert Wing, I could like Taiga, and oh my gosh, Sabrando. One day I'll go there. That's fine. So when you do that or join in these groups, then you have some other choices. Oh, don't stalk me. Okay. So here's the thing. What I want is none of that, right? I want to go to more. If I go to more, then I can have the Pages newsfeed. Now, the Pages newsfeed is literally the feed of other pages this page has liked. This is where I'm going to see something from Rebel Mouse. Your readers have questions. They're turning to Google. And I can click on my name up there with my little face. See your little face down there? Make sure it's showing the right page because that's not even always correct, especially if you have more than one. If it's just you and your own brand, then you're golden. But still, you want to make sure, and then you can um, comment or something. I don't really feel like I have anything to say about that, so I'm not going to. And it does take a while. Sometimes you have to scroll for things that, every once in a while, Facebook just shows you whatever they want to show you. Hey, where's my screen mirroring? That's annoying. And then you don't know what's going to happen, right? So Facebook is constantly changing. So there is no one tool that's going to do everything that you like, you know? And that's why we have to go through different choices like the Facebook app, the Facebook business app, and going through the website. So this is how, let's find something we can share. I normally recommend not sharing things you haven't read, but this is Todd Jones, and I know that he's awesome. So I'm going to like it, and then I'm going to click share, and I'm going to say write post, and say Todd always has great content, and then post. So if I go and look back at my page, my actual page, and now I have one notification, which is me replying again to Trey. So annoying. Facebook's notifications right now are ridiculously frustrating. I'm not going to sell from my page. Where is that thing? Todd always has great content. And that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. Bye.